Welcome. If you've been trying to find all your pokes on the Facebook app using a PC after the new update, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can check your pokes without wasting time searching through random menus. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This is where Facebook keeps most of your account options, so that's the first place we need to start. After that, go into Settings and Privacy. From there, select Activity Log. This section is very useful because it shows a full record of your Facebook activity, and it also helps you find older interactions that are not easy to spot from the main page. Next, inside the Activity Log, tap on your Facebook activity. This will open a more detailed list of actions connected to your account. Now scroll or look through the available categories until you find Other Activity. Click on that, and then enter to Pokes. Once you open Pokes, you should be able to see the pokes associated with your account. If you do not see everything right away, take a moment to check that you're in the correct profile and that have followed each step in the right order. Sometimes Facebook moves these options around, so it's important to use the activity log path carefully. And that's it. The whole process is actually very simple once you know where Facebook hides this feature. Open Facebook app, go to your profile photo, enter Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, tap your Facebook activity, then Other Activity, and finally, Pokes. If this helped you, try it now and see if your pokes show up correctly on your account.